All right, guys. So there's a very interesting asset on OlympTrade, right? It's called the Quicker, and as the name suggests, you can actually take trades that only last 5 seconds here. And I'm going to show you a very quick strategy, a very simple one, to try and make some money with this. So, okay, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the ADX to cross below this line. And then I want this to come to the resistance. Oh, okay, I wasn't able to answer very quickly. Um, okay, but I still want the trade. Okay, so here's what I mean. If I can just look at this. So this is the resistance because this is high, high, and then that's another high. So what I need from the ADX is for the ADX to fall below this line, and both of these should be above the middle line on the ADX here. Doesn't matter which number it is, but those lines will be there automatically for you. So once you see that, just take the trade as soon as it reaches the nearest support or resistance level. I'm going to try and see if I can get two more trades so that I can make sure that you guys understand this. All right, so let's, okay, so first thing, we're waiting for the ADX to come back below this level, which is around 9.9 right now. But the number doesn't really matter, right? The number does not matter. Both of these numbers do not matter, okay? It's about to fall below 12. Let's see. You can just confirm here by looking at this number here. Right now it's about 13. And yes, okay. As soon as I reach my next resistance or support, I'm going to buy or sell. Okay, I'm selling. Okay, my network is very okay. Again, I won this one. Again, I won this one. Let's see if I can get one more. But before I make this video too long, that's just the strategy, guys. You wait for the ADX to fall below here, and then